In a new development, Delta State Commissioner for Health, Dr. Joseph Onojame, has addressed the controversy surrounding a nursing student who was issued a query for allegedly refusing to refer to Nigeria's First Lady, Remi Tinubu, as her mommy during her visit to the school. The incident gained attention after reports surfaced that Delta State College of Nursing Sciences, AGBO, had disciplined the student for sharing a video online. The video allegedly showed students of the institution refusing to use the term mommy when addressing the First Lady.
We now get another one. Remi Tinubu.
As the video circulated online, the student who posted it was identified and subsequently issued a query by the school administration. The query letter, dated March 27, 2025, accused the student, nurse Osato Edobo, of violating school regulations by recording and posting unauthorized response to a song during the First Lady's arrival. It cited the student's handbook as the basis for disciplinary action and demanded a written explanation within 24 hours. However, in a swift response by Dr. Onojame, who intervened, instructing the school provost to withdraw the query and refrain from victimizing any student. Following his statement, social media users have flooded the internet to express their opinion on the development. We'll continue to supply you more trendy news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.